Okay, welcome to video number 5 on this series pertaining to physics of free fall. Now let's continue to focus on situation 3 where the body is thrown upwards. Now we have understood the sense of direction, and we have understood that the highest point the velocity will become 0, and we have understood that throughout the motion you will have acceleration due to gravity. Now, I want to introduce a very important topic pertaining to this motion, which describes the body thrown upwards. And this idea is the idea of symmetrical motion. Now, what it means is if you throw from the ground, the body comes back, to the same position. So you can see the word symmetrical mentioned in the diagram, arrow upwards and arrow downwards. So in symmetrical motion, the time the body takes to go up is equal to the time the body takes to come down. And obviously, since you have thrown the body upwards, now the sign convention, you must absorb it in your mind, strengthen your internal logic, will be negative. Now the second part of the this topic is the key concept of unsymmetrical motion. So you have to recognize and analyze whether the motion is symmetrical or not. In an unsymmetrical motion, you can see on the right hand side the diagram, the body is having upward and downward motion but unequal, right? So in these situations, divide the motion into upward and downward parts, because the time it takes to go up and the time it takes to come down is different. So these small concepts will add up when you do the numericals, but you must strengthen your internal logic when you're doing this. Thank you very much.